So your Tesla has a lot of different hidden features, and some of them are even in plain sight and you still don't know about it. That's why I'm going to cover those features in today's video, and I'm starting right now. And the first feature that I'm going to show you today is your emergency frunk opener, which can be very helpful in emergencies. Just say if your car loses power with a 12-volt battery. Right here, you have a little circle on your Tesla, and the only thing that you want to do is we're going to take our thumb here and just press in one good time, and right here you have wires. And what you're going to do is you're going to take this wire and you will do the positive to the positive, the negative to the negative, and it will give power to your frunk to automatically open. And not only can you open it from down there, just say if you have a child or a little person gets stuck inside of your frunk here, you also have a hidden feature. You're going to push the light, and the light is a button. You hear that? And this next hidden feature is here in the cabin, and it's not really hidden, but with a cabin that's very minimalist, a lot of times you just honestly forget that it's there. And I'm talking about the hazard lights, and it's right up here. It's one of the only buttons that's inside of the car, and that's required by law. And inside of your front, you have a tow bar hitch. It looks just like this. Now, if you need to tow your car for any reason, in the same outlet right here, you have where you can just screw this right on in and it will pull your car. And here on the back of the car, you're looking at the same thing. And this also, it comes with a lot of cars, but a lot of time you will forget that it's a part of your Tesla. And we're talking about the sun visor here. You see the sun is literally shining through right into my eye here. So all I'm going to do is pull this out and the sun visor extends. So this is somewhat a hidden feature inside of your cabin as well. If you're out charging and the charger that you're charging with, if that adapter gets stuck inside of your car, which rarely happens, in the last 3 years of car ownership, it has only happened once for me. However, you do have an emergency release on your charge port. So right behind the charger in the trunk, you have a cutout here. We're just going to put our finger there, and you see it's a little belt, and you pull it right here, and that's going to be your emergency release for the charger. Now, if you're about to park on a hill like this, you want to access your parking brake. And the only way that you can do that manually is coming over here to your drive stock and holding in, just say about for a second or two. You're just going to press and hold until it says park up at the top. Now, your car also has a secret menu that you can look at the diagnostics of your car, seeing how the different systems are working. I will only recommend this if you are a technician or if you know what you're doing. So I'm going to come right here where it says software, and from there I'm going to come and click over where it says Model Y. I'm going to hold that just for about 2-3 seconds, let go. Now it's going to say enter your access code, and the code is service. And once you click on service, and it's going to say, hey, you know, it may cause injury, personal, all of that good stuff. I'm going to click OK. And now I'm in service mode. Everything is pretty much going on with the car. So I'm just going to exit service mode right there. You're just going to press and hold. Then it's going to exit out of service mode. Now, your charger also has a rainbow light that's back here in the back. Once you put the charger in the charge port, just keep clicking it repeatedly. Then after a while, the light will turn rainbow. It will flash. So that's a cool hidden feature. So your car will also play the Saturday Night Live Cowbell Skit, and I'm going to show you how to do this. You're just going to take the drive stock and we're going to push it down real fast a few times, but I'm going to speed this portion up just so I don't get a copyright strike. And voice commands can control many features about your Tesla, and all that you have to do is come over here to the right scroll wheel, press and release, set the temperature to 74 degrees. And you saw that it went to 74. Open the trunk. And you see back there, the trunk just opened up, all by voice commands. And I'll also tell you 18 voice commands that you need to know, and it is the best video on YouTube. And I'm not saying that because I'm biased. Really, it's the best video. Check it out right over there on your screen on the top video, and more hidden features about your Tesla on the video on the bottom. Be sure you subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.